Papalapit na nga ang Chinese New Year. At isa nga sa kilalang Chinese restaurant dito sa Legazpi City ay ang Legazpi Four Seasons Restaurant na nagsimula pa noong 1971. Kaya naman ngayong araw, samahan niyo ako at alamin natin ang kwento sa likod ng Legazpi Four Seasons Restaurant.
Was started by our grandfather. His name is Guam Chan. He was a chef in a Chinese school in Tabaco City. After a while, because he had 11 children, he went to Legazpi City so that he could start a restaurant for the family. Our first branch was established in center of Legazpi City. Started in 1971. So it's been 53 years already. And then eventually we had 3 more branches, and our SM Legazpi branch is the 3rd branch.
Itong Legazpi Four Seasons Restaurant, it's been here in Legazpi City since 1971. So I think this is a staple to Filipino-Chinese family here in Legazpi City and even in Bicol region. This Chinese New Year, this is a place where the family can dine. We have the yang chow fried rice, of course, noodles. Hindi yan mawawala in any celebration because this symbolizes long life. We have the steamed fish. In a Chinese culture, usually yung mga fish dishes, they are served na buo because this symbolizes prosperity. One of our famous dish then are seafood soup.
At alam nyo ba na hindi lang sila nakafocus dito sa mga Chinese delicacies dahil ibinibida na rin nila ang mga pagkain may Chinese-Filipino fusion.
We already embrace the fusion type. So if you've noticed, it is more Chinese. But the flavors is like fusion already para mag-swak siya sa panlasa nating mga Pinoy. And especially tayong mga Bicolano. Sample itong ating humba, like, you know, as Filipinos, we love to eat humba. And there's a Chinese version. We just make it parang adobo siya na medyo sticky. Sticky because technically in the Chinese tradition and culture, you know, it means sticking together.
At syempre, hindi rin magpapahuli ang kanilang specialty. Ito ay ang season's chicken na ang sikreto daw ay nasa sauce. Dagdag pa nila na may new packaging ito kung saan ready na pampasalubong.
This is our specialty, and what makes it special is the sauce. Technically, this is fried chicken, then we pour the sauce. It's best to eat the chicken with the sauce. Kasama na yung sauce, just like this. Something that my grandfather invented na until now being patronized by the Bicolanos. And pag minsan nga, I'm so happy to see whenever I'm riding a plane, pag minsan may mga nag-hand carry na niyan. I think it is something to be proud of as well because not only for our family but also for Legazpi Four Seasons Restaurant as a Bicolano brand. We have 4 branches. We have 2 SM branch, one in SM City Legazpi, one in SM City Sorsogon, and we have 2 other branches around Legazpi City. So I hope that you will choose Legazpi Four Seasons Restaurant as your venue to celebrate your Chinese New Year.
Come dine with us this Chinese New Year and celebrate with us.